In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste an image into Claude. We'll start from a fresh browser, so you can follow along no matter where you are. First, open your favorite web browser and head to Google. In the search box, type Claude AI and press enter. In the results, look for the official site at claude.ai. Click that to open Claude in your browser. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can start a new chat. Once you're on the chat page, look at the message box at the bottom. You'll see a small plus icon next to where you type. That's the control you'll use to add files. Click the plus sign and choose the option to upload an image. Select the image from your computer that you want Claude to analyze. You'll know it worked when a small thumbnail of your image appears above the message box, ready to be sent. If your browser supports it, you can also paste directly from your clipboard after copying an image, but using the plus icon is the most reliable method. With the image attached, it's time to write a clear prompt so Claude understands exactly what you want. For example, if you're sharing a UI screenshot and want code generated from it, you could write, "Convert this UI screenshot into clean, responsive HTML plus CSS. Match the layout and styling closely. Keep the code simple and modern." This kind of prompt tells Claude the goal, the format you want, and the style constraints. In general, be specific about the output you expect. Mention any requirements like responsiveness or accessibility, and describe what to focus on in the image. If there are parts of the image you don't care about, it helps to say that too, so the response stays on target. When your image and prompt look good, click Submit. Claude will process the image and your instructions together and then produce a response based on what you asked. If the first reply isn't quite right, don't worry. Refine your prompt, clarify any details, and submit again. Small tweaks, like naming the sections you want or specifying a framework or style, can make a big difference in the result. And that's it. Open Google, find Claude, click the plus icon,